We are making a little s'mores bark, and we're gonna Halloween it up by using a little Halloween sprinkles. We're mixing them all up, having a little bit of fun with this. We got a parchment lined cookie sheet here. Now just take your spatula, smooth it out. Move some this way, move some that way. And for the chocolate, we use these Ghirardelli milk chocolate. I used a whole bag of this one. This is a 10-ounce bag, and I used a half a bag of the white, so 5 ounces. For the graham cracker part of our s'mores bark, I'm gonna use little golden grams, old school retro recipe, right? Got some in a little bowl right here, and we're just gonna kind of throw those around haphazardly like. Guys, this is gonna be a fun little dessert, decadent little dessert. Gotta love 2 kinds of chocolate. And we're gonna have some fun when we get those little marshmallows on. Speaking of that, got little jet puffed marshmallow bits. These are the little freeze-dried ones you see in your hot chocolate, right? Throw a few of those down. Now, what's a s'more without a toasted marshmallow? So we got my little torch here. And we're gonna torch some of these marshmallows. Get them toasty. I like my s'mores with toasty marshmallows, right? All right, that should do us. Gotta love a good toasty marshmallow. Being that it's that season, we got some little Halloween sprinkles, right? Little bats, little ghosts, pumpkins, right? So we're gonna go nuts with this over the top too. And I'm sure you can get this at your local grocery store or whatever. I think we got it at the grocery store. Online, Amazon, whatever, you're good. Let's go with a little bit of ghost in there. And some orange and black sprinkles. Dig it. We got our little multicolored little bitty sprinkles. We're gonna go crazy with these. Let's use them all. A little more ghost and a little bit more black sprinkles. Okay. Bats and pumpkins, yes please. Right. I'm gonna go a little bit more of these techno-colored sprinkles because I like the colors in it. All right, looking good. Hey team, now we gotta do is get this in the fridge. We're gonna put it in there for about an hour, so make sure that chocolate is really set up and everything's had a chance to kind of adhere to that chocolate. This is a fun little thing you can do with your kids. I mean, what's not to love? S'mores and sprinkles. I dig it. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, our bark is done. Let's break it up. Y'all can't tell me that doesn't look amazing. We're probably gonna make a little bit of mess here. So we're just gonna go slow with it. Break it up. Got this beautiful, beautiful, rich and decadent bark. I like big pieces of bark, but you know, if you want to share with people, break them down a little bit. All right, guys. That is looking too good. I need to get a bite. What do you say? Time to get into that barky goodness. Look at, even the marshmallows are toasted. Tell me that don't look like a good old s'more bite. Yeah, I got me a piece of the goodness right here. So many little flavors in there. Let's see how it tastes. S'more-rific. Can't wait to have some s'more. Because baby, you know it's good.